The Chinese crested ibis, or Nipponia nippon, was nearly extinct with only 7 left in the wild by 1981. Thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers have increased. Known for its red facial skin and flowing plumage, it symbolizes purity and longevity in Chinese culture. The Indian peacock, or Pavo cristatus, is renowned for its vibrant tail feathers, which it fans out during mating displays. It is the only bird that is a national bird of a country. Associated with the Hindu goddess Saraswati, it represents beauty, grace, and elegance. The bald eagle, or Haliaeetus leucocephalus, boasts excellent eyesight, spotting prey from up to 3 miles away. Despite its name, it isn't bald. Its white head feathers create that illusion. Chosen in 1782, it symbolizes freedom, strength, and independence.